Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore career growth opportunities with a machine learning certificate. Let's dive in. Machine learning is like teaching a computer to learn on its own. Instead of giving the computer specific instructions, we provide it with lots of data. The computer then figures out patterns and rules from this data and uses them to make predictions or decisions. Knowing about machine learning can help you get a better job. It's like learning a new skill that makes you more valuable to companies. You could even become a leader in technology. Machine learning is helping doctors and hospitals work better. It can predict how patients will do, create personalized treatment plans, and use resources more efficiently. This makes healthcare better and more effective. Getting a machine learning certificate can help you get a better job. It shows that you know what you're talking about and can be trusted. This makes you stand out from other people who are also looking for jobs. There are different kinds of machine learning certificates. Some are for beginners, while others are for people who already know a lot. To get a certificate, you usually need to take classes, pass tests, and sometimes do projects. This shows that you know how to use machine learning. To do well on your machine learning certificate, you should make a study plan, decide when you'll study each topic and review what you've learned. Do practice projects, use what you learn in real-life situations to make sure you understand it. This also shows your skills to future employers. Thank you for watching the video. Like and subscribe for more content. See you soon.